Hey guys, in today's video we're gonna teach you how you can download Steam games more effectively and faster. So if you have problems downloading your Steam games, the internet is bad or anything like that, you come to the right video. So the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to go to Steam in the upper left corner and we are going to go to settings. After that, go to downloads, and here you have a lot of options to choose. So every single option here will help you in some way. For example, in the download region section, you're gonna choose the country or the basically city that's most close to you. Like the closer the country you choose is to you, the faster the internet will be. So basically, this is the closest country I have to me, and my internet is very normal and it's up to date with my real internet speed when I'm downloading, of course. So, if you have the limit download speed checked, you're gonna uncheck that. If you have allowed downloads during gameplay checked, that's also okay. But if you are playing like online games or anything like that, you're gonna uncheck it. The throttle downloads while streaming, you're gonna uncheck that also. And we are going to clear download cache. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna click on clear cache, confirm, and it's gonna restart Steam application. Another thing you can do is you can right click here, you can go to task manager, and you can basically see if there is any, how do you say that, any application that's basically using our network. So if they're using like our network, you can quit them, and that's it. Then it's gonna be much easier. So as you can see, I have like, for example, Netflix, which uses a lot of network, and we're just gonna right click on that and delete it. So basically that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. uh, Make sure to restart Steam after every single option you change, and that's it. Bye.